everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make these tiny yarn pumpkins. So to make these pumpkins you're going to need some yarn, scissors, some twigs and also a toilet paper roll. We're going to start off by cutting our toilet paper roll in half. We're then going to go ahead and cut some small slits all the way around the toilet paper roll, making sure they're the same length. And you want to do this on both sides, the top and the bottom. Now once you've finished cutting, we're just going to go ahead and push all of those little flaps inwards. So when you finish folding, you're going to grab your scissors again and just cut from top to bottom to open up that circle. So now what we're going to do is grab our yarn and start wrapping around our toilet paper from one end to the other, making sure we leave a little bit of distance at each edge. When wrapping your yarn, you can overlap as many times as you like. We want it to be quite thick and chunky. Now what we're going to do with the two edges we've left exposed is we're going to grab our hot glue gun and stick these two pieces together. Now once it's stuck down, we're going to take our yarn and we're going to cut off about 40 to 50 centimeters worth, and we're going to start threading that through our loop to cover that little bit of toilet paper roll that we have exposed still. Now I'm just using a pair of scissors to push the yarn back through to the other side, but you can use a pen or anything else you have to hand. So you just want to keep on threading this through until we use all of that excess yarn. Now when you get to the end, again we're just going to use our hot glue gun, put a little dot of hot glue and stick our piece down. So now we finished the main part of our pumpkin. You're going to go ahead and pick which twig you want to use. I've got a couple here. I'm just going to trim off some little extra bits that are sticking out. And then again, we're just going to use some hot glue in the center of our pumpkin and push that twig through the middle. I do like to pop it in the middle first just to check it for size. And there we go, our little yarn pumpkin is all finished.